Hi everyone, and welcome to my very first app review video. In this series I'll be reviewing and showcasing various apps available for the iTunes Store. The app that I'll be reviewing today is called TweetDeck. It's a free app. Many of you probably know it because they have a desktop client. It's very popular, and it's for Twitter, for viewing all your messages and updates, and for writing new ones. It'll require Wi-Fi if you're on an iPod Touch, but if you have an iPhone with a 3G network, you should be able to do it from anywhere that you have service. So this is what it looks like when you open it up, and you can see right from the start, you see all the updates right here. If you want to view more, you just click it, then scroll up and down, and if one of them has a link in it, you simply click on it, and you can click the link right there. That'll open it up in, I guess, what you'd call a new window. From this screen you also have the options of replying to them, sending them a direct message, and retweeting that. So if I go back, you also have columns for replies of you that people have replied to you, and a column for direct messages. If you want to add more columns, you click this center button right here, the plus, and you can add user groups, favorites, and direct messages. And you can also have more than one account, so you can cycle through accounts, but I only have one, so I can't do that. You also have the options right here to refresh. That'll refresh it, pretty self-explanatory. And at the bottom it'll show you how many updates you have. I don't have any new updates since I last checked. You also have the settings. You can sign in to your TweetDeck account. I don't really know what that does, but I don't have one, and the app still works fine without it. So if I go into settings, you have the options to automatically correct and automatically capitalize. That'll capitalize the first letter of each sentence, and the correct will correct mistypes or misspells, because it's pretty hard to type correctly with the iPod Touches or iPhone's keyboard. You also have the options to choose TweetDeck or YFrog as your picture service, so if you attach a picture, you can enable sound, growl. You have the option to show the people's real names instead of just their usernames. And a really cool feature that I like is the shake to refresh. You just shake it and it refreshes. So if I go back, you also have the option to quick follow. If you press that, you can just enter in their username and follow. It's really easy. And to send out a new tweet, you just press this button at the top right, and you can type it out. In the middle you have the options for linking it, attaching a picture, and using your current location. So that's pretty much it for this app. I'd highly recommend it if you have an iPod Touch or iPhone and use Twitter. It's by far my favorite Twitter app. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please comment, rate, and subscribe.